Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a toning, glowing, whitening skin natural remedy. I'm going to be making it with tomato, fresh tomato. I have lemon, and I also have baking soda that I'm going to be using. And this toning remedy will remove wrinkles and fine lines. It will fight free radicals. It will remove dark circles under your eyes. It will reduce puffiness and under eye bags. It's going to reduce and also remove dark spots and sunspots. It will hydrate and nourish your dry skin. Tomato is very good in eliminating wrinkles and fine lines too. You know, it's going to restore elasticity and firmness to your skin. And it's also going to boost hydration, brightness, and nourishment for you. So, in doing this, this is what I'm going to do. This is so funny. I don't know where I put my knife. Okay, so here I have sugar for exfoliating, and I'm going to be using the baking soda. So I'm going to be using 2 bowls, you know, measuring 1 tablespoon each into each one of the bowls. You know, I'm going to measure 1 tablespoon of, actually it's not going to be that full, you know, so I'm going to put 1 spoon of my baking soda, and I will also put 1 tablespoon of my sugar in the other bowl. This is my sugar right here. Okay, actually that's not up to 1 tablespoon. It's not full, so I'm gonna put enough. Okay, since I'm not going to be putting it on my face right away, you're supposed to use it to exfoliate your face, and also especially around your eyes, so that it can remove dark circles. So right now I'm going to slice, let me bring about this, so I'm going to slice my tomato. I'm going to slice 2 of it. Okay, I will flatten it, slice 2 tomato right there. And I'm also going to slice my lemon. I'll slice 2 of it. This is 1. This is 2. Okay, so I have 2 slices of tomato, and I have 2 slices of my lemon. Actually, let me remove this and slice another 1 of my tomato right here. Okay, so these are just leftover that I'm going to put away. And this is the tomato. I have 4 tomatoes, and I have sugar, and I also have baking soda. So what I'll do is dab my baking soda, my tomato into my baking soda, and use this to exfoliate my face. So I'm going to dramatize it. Okay, right here, I have it right here. So what I'll do is, this is how I'm going to actually rub it on my I will massage it into my skin, and you can do this with your face. Okay, this will in turn brighten your skin, will make your skin glowing, or it will moisturize your skin, and you look so beautiful. So I'm putting it on my arm also. It will remove spots. So you use this. It has a lot of water in it, so coming out. So okay, so you can rub it on for a while, for a minute. Allow it. Let me put a little bit more, especially on my knuckles. That's for the tomato and oh, this is the sugar actually. This is tomato and sugar. I'm using sugar on this one. Okay, so I can do my tomato and I'm gonna and baking soda on my second hand. So I'm gonna put my tomato and baking soda on my second hand right here. This one is tomato and baking soda. So I'm gonna wash them both after about 10 minutes, and then you'll be the judge of how the performance is. I'm liking this one more. Actually, my tomato and baking soda. Tomato and baking soda. I think it's gonna win, but we shall see. They are both good anyway. So I'm going to wait for a few minutes, allow it to dry up, and then I'll wash it off. Right now I'm applying it to my face. Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm going to leave this to the side. And then the second one, I'll come back and do in a minute, okay? Okay. Now I'm going to wash my hand. So one thing I see is that it's very soft. My skin is soft and brighter. See? Isn't this beautiful? And soft and, you know, looking so radiant. I'm going to wash the other side. This is the side that I use baking soda on. I could actually allow it to stay a little bit longer, but I just want to wash it and show it to you guys. Look at that! They're both great. Both of them are actually good. Okay, so I'm going to do the lemon. Let me wipe my hand and show you the results. See the results? Isn't this beautiful? So beautiful. Okay, so now I have just a little bit sugar left. I'm going to use this to exfoliate my face and also my hand. See? In the same sense, just exactly the way I did the first one. That's exactly how I'm going to do this one. So I need to hurry up and finish all this because otherwise there will be disturbances. Okay, so I'm using lemon this time. This is lemon and baking soda for exfoliation. So this is lemon and baking soda, and this is going to perform miracle also. Okay, so you can do this maybe once a week. It's very effective. Okay. I'm going to leave it on for the next 10 minutes. So I may not come back and show the washed off part, but I want you to know that it works. It's very beautiful. At the end of this, you will enjoy and love the outcome. And it's foamy. It's foamy a little bit. So okay. Alright, so please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and if you have any questions, please write it and I will respond to you. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like the video, subscribe to the video, and also share the video with your friends for everyone to benefit from it. Thank you. Right now, something getting into my eyes. I have to remove it. Thank you, Jesus. Hey, now the tomato is dry, so I'm going to wash it off. Oh my God, this is so nice, so beautiful, so white. See? Ah, this is so beautiful. Look at that. 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 Isn't this beautiful? Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share the video with others for them to benefit from. Subscribe. Thank you.